Good morning, everyone. Happy Monday. Happy Vlogmas. What is it? Vlogmas what?
7.
Wow. Day 7. It is about 9 a.m. I think. And I decided to try working out in the mornings, even if it's like, not necessarily working out, but either like a stretch or a workout or some sort of something in the mornings, because I used to do them like around like 11 or something like that, and I noticed that that would cut off my day and I didn't really like it, so then I stopped doing it. I don't know, I just felt like it was like wasting my day in a way when I would do it halfway. But before COVID happened, we would go to the gym at night. So it's pretty much like after we were done doing all our stuff that we needed to do. I've never liked going during the day, like in the middle of the day. I either like it in the morning or at night, but I don't typically do it in the morning ever. So figure, let's try something new. So I'm gonna see if I can keep up with it. Today I did just it was a 30-minute workout, which I think was a bit too intense for the morning. Like I wasn't fully awake for it. And especially because it's my first time working out in a long time, so I need to find another one. But it's from MadFit. I'll link her YouTube below and the workout that I did. But I feel dead inside, so I need to start editing. Probably gonna make myself some breakfast right now. But who's out there? Huh? Who is that? Who's out there? All right, so Francisco decided to go on a mission to find what?
Cotton candy.
Cotton candy, because today is, right?
Yes, today's supposed to be, I don't know if it's national or international, but cotton candy day.
Yep. And we tried to get some yesterday, but we couldn't find any. He's convinced the Party City will have it, so.
I checked online. They said that they had it in stock, a whole bunch of different flavors. A strawberry, cherry, a blue one. I think it was blue raspberry or blueberry.
So yeah, we're gonna go to Party City, see what we can find. Also, that exercise I did earlier messed up my back. This is when you know you're getting old, because my back is not killing me. So when we come back, I'm probably gonna have to put something on it, which is quite sad. So, but I'm not gonna quit. I'm gonna do something tomorrow as well. Maybe I'll just do like a stretch instead of a workout. I don't know why we're wearing our masks before we even get to the store, but we're doing it. Also, what the heck is happening here? I need to fix my hair. Yesterday I just blow dried. Let me take this off. Yesterday I just blow dried my hair, but I didn't do anything with it. So maybe today, if I have time, I'll put some heat on it, like curl it or something. I don't know. We'll see. I'm not going anywhere anyway, so I might just leave it like this. So here's behind the scenes of how we take pictures for our food channel, or not food channel, food Instagram. Food Instagram. Today, like I said earlier, it's a National Cotton Candy Day, so he's posting cotton candy with his cotton candy beer. So for my lunch, I made myself a little tiny sandwich with the leftover bread that my sister made, a side of chips. These are The Thrive Market avocado oil potato chips, the sea salt vinegar flavor. I love these things so much. So I made myself or just poured myself the last of it. I'm watching some Kendra Atkins and I'm waiting for this thing to finish. I finished editing already. I'm just exporting it and then I have to import it to YouTube. But wow, so majestic. Why you look so beautiful? Oh, okay.
Mom, don't talk to me. Are you trying to get to sun?
Alright guys, so I'm gonna make the tacos today. And I'm gonna use the tortillas I showed you guys. I have some, oh, that's really hot. Let me show you. I have some onions, caramelizing low and slow. Then over here I have the ground beef, which is cooking. I have some pinto beans, which I'm warming up, just canned pinto beans. Over here, my sister cut up some cilantro, some limes. We have that cilantro, and then we're gonna add that to some salsa that I'm gonna make right now. I've never made raw salsa, so crossing my fingers that it'll be good. Why are you crying? Hey, what's wrong? Why'd you beat up your sister? Huh? You wanna tell me something? Oh, what is it? Okay, bye. Alright, dinner is ready to go. So I ended up just using the La Tortilla factory tortillas. And then the beef, I pretty much just seasoned the heck out of it because it was very bland. I don't know what happened to this beef. I bought it at Sprouts, but the texture is really weird. As you guys can see, it like didn't break apart. I don't know, it's so weird. It's supposed to be like 100% grass-fed beef, but I've never bought that specific one from Sprouts. I usually buy it from Costco, so this one was a little strange. I don't know. Anyways, so I did that with a bunch of seasoning, just like paprika, chili powder, garlic, salt, and all that stuff. So pretty much to your own taste, I guess. Then I topped it with some cilantro. Those are the caramelized onions, side of limes, and then that's just pinto beans with absolutely nothing in it. So we can each add whatever we want to it. And then over here, what Francisco's adding to his tacos are salsa. That salsa, Francisco's mom gave me the recipe. It's supposed to be just onions, tomatoes, and chili, right?
Yep, and a little bit of salt.
And a little bit of salt, but I added garlic and cilantro to it. And you said it was pretty good, right?
Yeah, it's pretty similar. The only thing is that it doesn't have the heat.
It doesn't?
My mom's does.
It's not as spicy?
Much, no.
I could have added a lot of one, but then my sister
Yeah.
wouldn't have been able to eat it.
That's
so.
true.
But it's pretty
But
good, right?
Pretty similar, yeah.
Yeah. Well, without the
Especially with
cilantro,
this,
right?
Yeah, because of the taco, I mean, it tastes good with the cilantro in it.
Yay. So 1 to 10?
I'd give it a 10.
Really? Oh, that's exciting. All right. So we're going to go ahead and eat some dinner. All right, and for the nightcap, we're gonna have some cookies and milk. These cookies, I got them at what's it, Safeway?
Yeah, Safeway.
Yeah, and they're just like it's like a chocolate cookie with pecans in them, pecans, but they kind of taste like fried brownies. I don't know, they're kind of weird, but they're so good. So I've been looking forward to having them with my milk, and see, they're very crunchy. So that's gonna be the end of today. We ended up going for a little bit of a drive down memory lane. We went up to this hill in San Jose that we used to always go to when we first met because we had nowhere to go, so we would always go up there. And it was just as beautiful as we remember because you could see all of San Jose. It's so pretty. But he wanted to drive his car for a little bit and get a car wash because his car was filthy. So
I haven't driven it in about a week and a half.
yeah, and you were supposed to like drive it how often?
Like every week at least, just to get the fluids going.
And we haven't done that.
Recharged.
Yeah, so we most of the time drive my car, so we ended up just driving his for a little bit tonight. And what else do we do? Nothing, right?
Mm-mm.
And now we're just gonna relax, watch Wentworth, and we'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a good night. Goodbye. You have a mouthful of cookies. Ew. Good night.